Hey guys, good evening, and I hope you all are doing really fine. Well, I'm doing really fine as well. So, today we are learning how to add bio, location, and website on Twitter. To know that, firstly open your Twitter app. After opening your Twitter app, go to your profile. After going to your profile, as you can see, I have already added my location and website. So to do that, go to edit profile. Here you can see bio, location and website. Just click on that. You can write anything you want. Avocado. And here you can add your location by just typing it, and here you can add your website, just copying the link and pasting here. So that's all. I hope you guys like the video. Please like and subscribe and hit the notification bar for further more videos. Thank you for watching.